Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete video from playlist on YouTube. Deleting a video from your YouTube playlist helps keep your content organized and relevant for your audience. So let's start the video. To delete video from YouTube playlist, open youtube.com in your web browser. Just make sure you are logged in. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. And then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab in the left sidebar. Now click on Playlist tab at the top. Here you will see all the playlists you have created. Click on the playlist from which you want to delete a video. So this is the playlist. Click on Video icon. Once you are in the playlist, find the video that you want to delete. So this is the video. Hover your cursor over it and you will see 3 vertical dots appear. Click on those dots. A small menu will pop up. Click on Remove from this playlist. This will delete the video from your YouTube playlist. And that's it. The video has been removed from your YouTube playlist. Thanks for watching.